I'm back in the garage. It's been a little while, probably quite a few months, because I've been busy growing a baby. There she is, little baby Kaya. She's the best. Hello. Anyway, so yeah, today I've just taken the forks off because I've got leaking fork oil seals. Okay, that one's not too bad, so I'm just going to line that back up. Oh man. Okay. Don't do that. I'm just going to screw it back in so I don't lose it. Cut off my fork gaiters and then finish removing the fork brace. And I'm just going to remove the mud guard as well, just to make it easier to access the forks. Okay, what I'm doing now is just taking a quick video of the cables so I can try and remember how they're all routed when I come to put the forks back in. And time to remove the wheel. Okay, wheel it off. I'm just going to undo the bolts on the yokes. So we've got bolts here and here, and then I'm going to slide the forks down. In the next video I'll dismantle the forks. Hopefully by then I would have ordered the new oil seals and I can put them in and then reinstall them.